Hello everyone, welcome to this week's tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to download maps from Google Maps so you can use it offline. If you are new to this channel, subscribe, hit the bell so you get a notification every time I upload a new video. Without further ado, let's dive into the phone so I can show you how you can do it. I will assume here that you already have downloaded Google Maps to your phone. Now, open the app and let's download the map. One thing to keep in mind here is the bigger the area you want to download, the bigger the size of the map. Once you open the Google Maps, what you're going to do here is go to your profile image and click there. You will get all these options. The option that we are looking for is offline maps, so click there. Here you will have all your downloaded maps. In my case, I just have one, which is Rezulin map. Now what I want to do is download Pretoria map, which is the place I'm going tomorrow. So what you're going to do is come here to custom map and click there. Here you have this square area. The map inside this square is the one that is going to be downloaded. So what I want to do is download Pretoria. So using your fingers, you can zoom in or out on this map. If you double tap inside the square, you will zoom in. Now, using my fingers, I'm going to zoom out until I find the area that I want. If this is becoming very difficult for you, using one finger, you can drag the map around until you find the area that you want. So I'm looking here for Pretoria. There you have Pretoria. Now what I'm going to do is zoom in until I find the exact area that I want. So this is enough for me. The next step is download this map. To download this map, down here at the bottom you have download. So you can click here to download the map. I'm not going to download the map now because I want to show you how you can come exactly to the point you want to go or visit without zooming in or out to identify the point. I'm going to click on cancel, go back to map. So here what you're going to do, click on search here and write Pretoria. When you write the place that you're looking for, Google Map will take you there. So once I'm here, I'm going to click on this X to clean the search item. Now I'm going to click on this icon profile and then I'll come back here to offline map and then I'll click on custom map and it will take me directly to the Pretoria map. So this is how you're going to do to avoid zooming in or out. So if you are okay with this map, just click on download and it will download the map. So here at the top you can see that you have map 2. You can change it by clicking on this pencil and then write the name that you want. In my case, I'll write here Pretoria and then click save. So you can see here the progress of your download, which is around now 25%. While it is downloading, you can minimize it and do something else, because after it finished, it will give you a notification. Once it finished, you will have at the top your most recent downloaded map. In this case, for me, it is Pretoria. And you can see here at the bottom, this map comes with an expiry date, which is March 12, 2021. So you can use this map for 1 year before it expires. So now I'm going to show you some tips that you can use to avoid download maps using your data. Here at the top, click on this gear settings. And down here in the middle, you have when to download offline maps. Tick on over Wi-Fi only to avoid use your mobile data. Google Maps is a good application, fast to load and free. If you're trying to save some money, use it. Well guys, that's all for this video. I hope you've learned something, and if you did, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell so you get notification every time I upload a new video. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.